The next is on-site link. On-site link. So basically, I have on-site link on my website. These are on-site links. The on-site links. So these are on-site links on the website. Basically, why do you need on-site link? On-site links is basically for you to be able to optimize your website on page. The main reason is that you want to be able to keep audience on the website. This is for retention. Want to be able to keep audience on the website. So if you click, you go to another page on the website, you click, you go to the audience will be on the website, and that way you'll be able to increase your ranking because you are able to retain the audience. So the more time and the more clicks you get helps with increasing your ranking, your website ranking. So you need to work on that. And basically, I will go to this and I'll put no on-site links issue from